Hello, class 10 students. Today I am telling you about bio-practical experiments. Before I start the experiment, let me clear that in class 10 bio experiments, students they do not have to perform anything during their exam or during their experiments. They have to just observe and study whatever physiological experiment is given to them, and then they have to write comment on them. Now I'll be starting from first experiment, that is object is to demonstrate the process of osmosis. In this process, what do? We take a beaker filled with water. We also take a thistle funnel. The mouth of thistle funnel is covered by a cellophane paper. Here cellophane paper will be acting as semi-permeable membrane, differentially permeable membrane. Then what do? That we fill 80% sugar solution in the thistle funnel. This can be done by adding 20 grams of sugar in 80 milliliter of water. This sugar solution is placed in this thistle funnel, and then it is placed in this way as this is experimental setup. Then we have to leave this experimental setup for some time to observe what changes they take place. Now before this, we mark the level of sugar solution in the thistle funnel as well as the level of water in this beaker. After few hours, we observe that the level of water in this thistle funnel, that is sugar solution, will rise and the level of water in this beaker will fall down. Now explanation of this experiment is, osmosis is movement of solvent molecules from a region of high water concentration to a region of low water concentration. Since there are more water molecules present in the beaker as compared to water molecules present in the thistle funnel, so these water molecules from high water concentration from this beaker, they will start moving from beaker to thistle funnel, and here the cellophane paper will be acting as semi-permeable membrane. That means the water molecules will travel from external medium to internal medium, and so the level of water will rise in thistle funnel. Now what is the application of this osmosis? Roots, when they absorb water from the soil, from the surrounding soil, they absorb water by the same process. They take water from external medium from high water concentration to low water concentration.